Hey Barbaro, this is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. We spoke earlier on the phone and you said that you could use some more business. So I wanted to just shoot this quick video for you, let you know some quick things that you can do that'll bring in more traffic and more business, which will generate more sales for you. So go ahead and starting it off. In order to be optimized by Google, you guys need to have a website. So looking here, and I did a search for you guys do not have a website. So in my opinion, that would be the first thing that I would suggest that you guys do is get you a website, because bathroom remodeling or Bathroom Remodel Atlanta is bringing in 260 searches per month. So that's a lot of searches that you guys are missing out on by simply not having a website that can be listed here in the map pack or in the organic listing. So once you get that website, you need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page. And so this is your number one competitor. They're ranked number one in the map pack and the number one organic listing. And so I did a word count on their site and they only have 410 words. So definitely beatable on the content side. Just really need to get that website up and then get those 1,500 words on that front page. So next, I wanted to talk about the map pack. So you're probably asking, how do you get ranked in the map pack? And then the map pack is essentially built from NAPs, which is the name of the business, the address, and the phone number. And from those NAPs, we have citations throughout the internet that basically lists your business. So your name, your address, and your phone number. And so I like to use a tool called Whitespark, and that shows us all of your top competitors and how many citations that they have. So you guys are not listed here in the top 10. So you guys have less than 6 citations. I'm sorry. So you need to have at least 100 to 200 more than your number one competition in order to be beating them out in Google's eyes. So that is also very doable, but still need to have that website up and running in order to get these citations. And what I like about Whitespark actually is that you can click here on view sources and it'll list out all of the sources that each of your competitors is using, and you can go in and put your NAP, your name, your address, and your phone number of your business into each one of their citations and basically steal that for yourself. So could easily be beating out your number one competition. Just need to use those proper tactics. And so last but definitely not least, wanted to talk about backlinks, aka link juice. And so simply put, link juice works like this. So site A points to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B more authority in Google's eyes. So you can really think of it as a popularity contest. But the way it works is that you need to have relevant sites that point back to you and your business. So seeing that you guys are bathroom remodelers, then you need to have sites that are connected or related to bathrooms or any type of remodeling website. So you would rather have those relevant sites pointing back to you rather than like a Pizza Hut or like a Burger King or something like that, because you guys have nothing to do with food. So I like to use a tool here called Ahrefs, and doing a search on your number one competitor, they have 1,005 backlinks. So that's a ton of link juice right there. And so you need to be beating them out by 200 to 300 backlinks. And so once you get that site up and running, it would be very easy to get these backlinks just the same way as you do in Whitespark. Just click here on backlinks and it'll list out all of the backlinks that they're using, and you could go in and steal those for yourself. So could be easily ranking number one in the map pack and in the organic listings. Just need to implement those things that we talked about. And again, that was content. You need to have 1,500 words on that front page. Citations, 100 to 200 more than your competition. And then backlinks, 200 to 300 more than your number one competitor. And with you doing all that, you'll be number one in the map pack and organic listings. So, obviously there is a ton of things that you guys can do to bring in more business. But if you want to take the most effective route, save yourself some time, then give me a call as soon as you get a chance. My number is 678-661-5695. And again, my name is Tyler Vaughn with Uplift Atlanta SEO and Web Design. And my number is 678-661-5695. Give me a call once you watch this video. Let me know how we can partner together and generate more sales for you and your business. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks.